Okay guys, today I will show you how to make super easy, super yummy, quick, I think 10 minutes or 15 minutes soup. And I think everybody have this products at home. Carrots, I think everybody have. Then we need beans, whatever you prefer. I have small white beans, but you can use the big brown, black, what kind of you want, and frozen broccoli. If you have fresh broccoli, it's okay. I have just a ton of frozen broccoli in my fridge. And you need coconut milk, but it's not coconut milk, it's coconut cream. You just need to put in the fridge, and it's thickened, and we just need a little bit of this thick part. I just make the cover because when I put in my fridge, it's better to do like this. Okay, what we need some more? Garlic, of course, salt, pepper we need some rosemary, and you have two options. If you have really good quality vegetable stock or vegetable broth, you can use it, but if you don't have and you have quick version, you can use this vegetable cubes, but you need to check out the ingredients. You need these ingredients are pure vegetables without E and without this specific conservants and etc stuff. Okay, dokie, I think we can start and make our soup. Of course, I just needed to cut the carrots. And a magic happened and my processor is here. Okay, you need to put the carrots in. I used 3 regular size carrots. If you prefer more carrots, you can put more. And it's so nice texture when you ground them. They are I don't know how can I explain, but the texture is like caviar, vegetable caviar. It's really tasty. And then put to the second speed or the first speed, I don't know how powerful is your processor, and just grind some minutes. No minutes, just seconds. And it's done. Okay, these small crumbs, it's like really like vegetable caviar. Okay, and then we need to go to the heating point and we need to bake a little bit then and starting to make a soup. Okay, what we need to do? We need to cut our garlic. Okay, if you prefer onions, you can cut and a little bit fry the onions. I remind you that I don't love the onions. Okay, you put some garlic, little lower heat, then you put rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, you can do it. I have, but I don't want to do it with fresh. You can just make this rosemary and a little bit to bake it. It's felt fresh. And then you place your carrots. Put your carrots in. You know that I forgot something. Oh man, you need to remind me. I forgot a little bit of tomato paste. 1 second please. La la la. And you need to put a little bit of tomato paste or tomato puree. Approximately 2 tablespoons, not tablespoons, but teaspoons. And then you need to mix it a little bit. Okay, meanwhile you are cooking a little bit your onions or garlic or something what you have here, you can put on the heat the pot with the water. I remind you, if you have vegetable broth, you can put vegetable broth. I have 1 liter and 300 grams here of water, pure water, because I don't have broth with me. If you wanna make with, for example, chicken broth or some else, you can do it. I don't have it. Okay, you need to cook it a little bit. It smells so nice. Everything. Okay, what we need to do, you can put your beans there in the hot water. Make sure that each of them are out of the can. Okay, then you can place your broccoli as well. I have here particularly 150 grams. You can use more or less. It depends how much you have or how much you want, or yeah. Right now I have a little bit of garlic powder or garlic paste. I put here. Yes. And cook for some minutes, and then we will put this there as well. Oh, you can put I forgot, you can put the cumin, not cumin, you can put the turmeric. You can put the turmeric as well, because it's healthy to put turmeric everywhere in these days, of course, especially you can taste him. And what you need to do, turn off the heat and place your carrots here. Be careful because the water can splash. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay, we can put here. And we can place, be careful, to this side. And we put the heat on, and then we need to mix it. You can use less water as well. You can use, for example, 1 liter. And what you need to do, you need to take the coconut cream. You see, it's really thick. Where is my spoon? Okay, I will take with this spoon. Approximately you need 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. For example, if you are not vegan or vegetarian, you can use a little bit of fresh cheese, this cheese cream or something like that. Okay, then we need to put our salt. Salt and pepper. I have pepper a little bit with lemon. And okay, and where is my cube? Cubey, where are you? I use a little bit of vegetable cube because I don't have a broth, but this is really good quality vegan vegetable broth, not broth but cube, and you can put it here. And now you a little bit turn down your heat, and I think you need to give a little bit to boil it, for example, 5 minutes. It depends on your broccoli, because the carrots are really quick to cook and the beans are ready. Put the some cover on. Come closer. Ta-da! You see? It's more thick because beans are a little bit, how to say, mushier. And then what we need to do, finger test. No, I don't do the finger test with hot stuff, but I will do the spoon test. We need to test the salt and pepper and It's ready, but there needs a little bit of salt. If you prefer, a little bit. If you prefer, you can put more this coconut cream or something else. For example, if you put in your portion, you can put there as well, and you can put some something else what you like. I think it's ready. Just turn off the heat, and your soup is ready. Full of broccoli and beans and garlic. We don't want the garlic. If you want a more thick, you can put, for example, 2 cans of beans. Okay. Now you can put a little bit this, and of course you can put some greens in it, which are fly away. And yeah, I think it's done, and our soup is ready. And I need to take one more taste test. It's really nice. The carrots are so textury and really nice. The beans are smooth and everything is really nice. Please love it, subscribe it, comment, share it, and I hope you will join this quick and easy and healthy recipe. I love you. Bye.